Hey guys, this is Addison and I want to go over a really quick feature over here. This is for the Volvo key fob, and basically this is to access the interior of it. So it's actually really easy. All you need to do is go to this lever right over here. Okay, so there's a lever. Let me see if I can see that. There you go. So there's this lever and you're going to want to push it to the left. So just push that to the left, and as you're doing that, I would say put your middle finger right over here on the side that doesn't have the Volkswagen or the Volvo logo, and you're going to put your thumb right over here, and you're going to push your middle finger and kind of pull on the Volvo logo. That's going to slide off. So right over here you're going to have this part. So this is actually the mechanical key. So this is really easy. So we have access to this right over here, which is perfect. So yeah, with that, you're going to be able to have access to the mechanical key right over here. And what does this actually do? Let's go check it out real quick. Right over here, you're going to have the door handle. And what you're going to be able to do is you can actually just open it up. Right over here, you're going to have that mechanical locking mechanism. You can actually just put this in there. You're going to be able to unlock the vehicle. And not only that, but there's a little point right over here. So it's right here. Let's see if I can get on the camera. Where you can actually stick this thing inside, going about that way, and if you slam the door or just like put the door, close it, you're gonna be able to mechanically lock this vehicle. Really easy features. If you want to learn more about this vehicle and what it has to offer, go over to our YouTube. We have a few videos that go over the C40, like that one over there. But anyways, I will see you in the next video. Have a good one.